if Abu knows he did a crime, make you go face in time. Make you stop the waste money on this Ghana lawyers and all this before he realizes that's what wasting scanning in our near sound and echo at the end of the day. And secondly, to post free Abu. It's not about injustice. What they are doing right now on this campaign number and uncle for abonting say Yankopon anye anti empire. Now say omo de abuko America. So videos no make go court catch judge say or yes, it will be used against him in community. Lawyers now, lawyer come and a plan is hard no. Yes, it is going to be used against him in the court.
They didn't say or a first and as well.
It doesn't matter. So much the moment they will extradite him, all these videos no say free Abu no. They will use it against him in court
as evidence.
As evidence or a campaign can the America, you know. When Ghanaians started doing that little campaign, bring Ken home. Now the immigration judge is looking at you like, oh no, human rights is also being exercised.
They'll keep him there.
Yes, so what are you going to do? They'll keep him there
as long as possible.
Yes, so everything you have to learn. I don't know who their lawyer is, but coming from my legal perspective, when you are fighting this kind of law, this kind of crimes, a look in the fighting. You don't seek public sympathy because who's where this can who say schedule now? Yeah, you don't seek public sympathy but schedule. No. Guy man, so I don't penny for never teach you mono. E buy one quiet harder. E buy na a fly call facing the time or try to say local court. That's why those where this scanner where say were cheap. Because the more I was stretching the more you ever call your properties, when you call your baby property,
you're confiscating it.
Oh yes, and I will check. Oh yes, and I will check.
Because MPP time,
I feel like they don't have to allow it.
MPP said they will not sign any extradition agreement. So the FBI came, but they didn't sign. But NDC came and they signed it. Because the thing started in 2020.
I'm telling the reason why NDC is going to sign it.
Why?
NDC is going to sign the extradition because NDC is trying to rebrand the image of Ghana.
Yeah.
Packaging na Ghana for kita wa bonten time.
Yeah, like Nigeria.
Coming to America. Now if I so Ufri Ghana, man, I hear niggas doing some scam shit too over there. Is that true? You feel me? So,
but Nigeria a bad scene.
Ghana don't have to have the reputation of Nigeria because Nigeria look up to us. So what the government is doing is they're actually trying to rebrand.
Whitewash us.
Yes, so they can get their foreign aids.